How to set a custom ringtone on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create your own ringtone. So first, find the song you want as a ringtone. Go to the Safari and type mp3juice.ninja. Then, find the song on YouTube. Copy the link and paste it into the mp3 juice. Click download mp3 and your song will download. Next, open the GarageBand app. Tap the add icon and then you can start a new project. Tap on the brick wall icon to bring up the timeline. Then tap on the tiny add icon at the end. Then tap on section A where it says 8 bars and change it from 8 to 30. This will give you more room to edit your ringtone. Then select the loophole symbol. Go to Files, then browse for the song that you have downloaded earlier. Long press it to drag it to the timeline. So once you put the song here, select the part you want to use as a ringtone. Then tap the down arrow again, then press the song, then select share, then tap ringtone, name it, and tap export. Now, your song is saved as a ringtone. So finally, go to the settings, then sounds and haptics, and select ringtone. You will find your custom ringtone at the top of the list.